Hi everyone, I'm Alex with Karate. Today, I'll teach you how to print using flexible TPU material. TPU material is highly valued for its excellent elasticity, bending toughness, and abrasion resistance. Compared to rigid plastic material, TPU enables the creation of more flexible, bendable, and stretchable 3D printed products, such as phone cases, earphone covers, watch straps, and footwear. Very practical. This time, I'll show you how to print a creative watch strap with TPU. To start with, some tricks and tips for slicing TPU to ensure a successful print. For filament type, make sure you select either generic TPU or CR TPU. Speed is also crucial, so in case you use a third-party slicer, please adjust the printing speed below 50 mm per second. Also is the temperature. If the surface of the printed model is not satisfying, you may lower the printing temperature to 205 to 215 Celsius degree. Now slicing job is done, I'll demonstrate the printer's part of work with our K1. Due to high feeding resistance of the toughened tube of the printer, printing TPU from the filament rack in its preset position may result in the printer printing in air or insufficient extrusion. Therefore, the following special approaches are necessary when printing with TPU. First of all, open the lid at the top of the printer and feed the filament from above the printer, making sure that the rack is above the printer. Second, make sure you secure or take down the toughened tube on the printer to avoid it scraping the model during printing. Next up, be aware that TPU material tends to absorb moisture, so always remember to use fresh new material or dry them before use. Otherwise, you'll end up dealing with staining or uneven surface quality of the prints. At last, choose a TPU with a hardness rating of 95A or higher, like the popular TPU 95A or TPU 64D to print with. Now, we're diving into the actual printing part. Let's see what amazing result can we get. The TPU printed watch strap is great and well crafted. The K1 series is good at printing TPU models with incredible quality, perfect for crafting durable yet flexible items like watch straps and phone cases. Now start printing with TPU on your K1 3D printer. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you master the skill to print with TPU and unleash a world of creative potential.